for you guys. Okay, so this is the case that say if you want to print something like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, let's just say you want to print 1, space, 2, space, 3, space, 4, space, and 5. Well, you can see that it's not really looping well here, right? So you kind of says, all right, so this is the same, but then the last one, they don't really have a comma space here. Okay, so this is kind of like the FencePost, that you have a 2 post at the end, and then you have a connectors in between them. So how we're gonna print those one here? All right. So the one way we can approach it is we combine the loop with the if statement. Okay. So how we're gonna do that is we'll use the while loop here. Okay. So we'll say integer I will start from 0. Yes. Okay. So we have integer I start from 0, and then we'll say while I is less than 5, okay, and while is less than 5, and we'll print something, right? So normally what we want to print here, we'll just say system.out.print 9. It will be nice, we'll just print like I plus 1 here, and then plus, comma, space. It will be nice, right? And then that we just do this one. But guess what? If we do this way, how this is gonna print out, it will have the extra comma space here, right? So look here, if you run, see, this is my mistake. Now we have endless loop. So how can I stop? I'll stop it. All right. I told you do not make a mistake. I made a mistake here for the endless loop. Okay, so this is the dangerous situation. What's missing here? I'm missing the update. So I need to say I++. So I'm missing the update here. All right. So that's why they just say, oh, so I equals 0. And so the 0 is forever less than 5. So they loop forever. So that just shows sometimes it's very easy to make the mistakes that they loop forever. All right. So this time, when you run, and you can see, oh, I shouldn't do print 9 here. All right, I'm gonna do print because I want them to print on 1 line here. So, all right, I'm gonna slide that back. It's actually print, okay? So after they print, and then after this for loop here, and I will just print a 9 out. All right. So, and then that will print 1 9. But again, you can see is that it's not post fence, so I have an extra here, and which I don't want to print this one here. All right. So using the if statement, and you can do this way. You can say what? If I is well, we'll do this way. So instead of going just print like that, we actually have the if statement. We'll say if I is less than, or we'll say if I is, yeah, strictly less than 4, okay? And then we will print. We actually will print the comma space. Okay, so if this is not the last one, and then we'll print this one. Otherwise, we won't print this one. All right, so if we run this guy, And now you can see this is a perfectly fine, right? So this is the combination that we're using the while loop, and inside we're using the if statement with the while loop here. And so this is what we call the popular FencePost algorithms here. I'm gonna pause the video, okay?